Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Samarth Official. In the previous video, you had learnt about how to model a nut part from the screw jack assembly using CATIA V5 part modeling. In this video, you will learn about how to model a cup part from the same screw jack assembly. As this part is also axis symmetric in nature, the symmetric 2D drawing can be drawn first and then it is revolved about the axis of revolution to get the 3D part. The commands used for this model are axis, profile, constraint, shaft, circle, pocket and circular pattern. Open CATIA V5, click on Start Mechanical Design, Part Design. Go to Tools, Options, click on Parameters and Measurements, click on Units, check whether the units are in millimeters or not. Click OK. Select YZ plane, click on Sketch command, which will take you to Sketcher workbench. Select axis, check for the blue line. Blue line confirms that the line is vertical or parallel to this vertical axis. So select the profile. So you can select the profile and draw the rough profile, horizontal line, click here, inclined line, click here, horizontal line, click here, another inclined line. So you can have another inclined line, horizontal line, and close the loop, vertical line and close the loop. Okay. So now select the constraint, select this axis and select this vertical line. In the distance between them is 22 by 2. Press enter. Okay, and select this horizontal line and select this horizontal axis. Select the constraint, right click, click on coincidence. Okay, the next dimension is select this center line, press Ctrl, select this point, select the constraint, double click on this, and this is 45 by 2. Press enter. Okay, so next constraint is like click on constraint, select this line, select this line. So instead of point, select this line, select this, press Ctrl, select this line, click on constraint, double click on this, and the value is 12. Press enter. Okay, next select this line, press Ctrl, select this line, click on constraint, double click on this, the value is 42. Press enter. Okay, next is click on constraint, select this point and select this axis, double click on this, and the value is 38 by 2. Press enter. Okay, select this line, click on constraint, double click on this, value is 6 and press enter. Click on constraint, select this point, select this axis, double click on this, and the value of this is 65 by 2. Press enter. So you can see the whole two-dimensional drawing has turned into green color. This means that your two-dimensional drawing is fully constrained. Now exit workbench. So click on shaft, great. click on preview and click on OK. Okay, phenol isometry. Okay, now you need another feature to be done. For that, you just select this YZ plane and click on sketch, select this circle, look for this blue line which is coincidence with the vertical axis, select here, drag and click. So the dimension of the circle is the radius of this must be 5. Select this and select the constraint, double click on this, radius can be 5. Okay, now select the constraint, select this point and select this line, right click, coincidence. Okay, now exit workbench. So select this pocket. Okay, this up to last, more, this is also up to last, preview, click on OK. Okay, now select this pocket and go to circular pattern, select this circular pattern, number of instances 3, and the angle you need to give it as 90 degrees, reference element, right click, Z axis. Okay, the instances were must be 4, preview, click on OK. So you can see this part. So phenol, click on isometric. Okay, thank you.